It's time for math again today. An easy lesson today. So what I want to do is go over time a little bit more. But let's start, please, with our ruler. We call this this is a ruler. And how long is our ruler? It is 1 foot long. Remember, a foot is the size of your daddy's foot. And how many inches are in a foot? How many inches? 12 inches in a foot. Remember, an inch, the size of your thumb there, right? That's an inch. Foot, about that big, right? There's your foot. 12 inches on your foot, right? And if you take 3 of these together, that's a big step, and we call that a yard. We're not quite there yet, but we will get there, okay? Now, we started working with time, right? Here's our clock, and the numbers are 1 to 12 on it, right? The day starts at 12 o'clock when you're sleeping, right? And that big hand goes around and around. The big hand tells how many minutes. The little hand tells what hour of the day is it. Is it 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Now on your mama's phone, we'll put it right over here, the time will look like this. It will look something like this. Maybe 8:25. The first number is your hour, and this is how many minutes. How many minutes? 8 hours and 25 minutes. It breaks it up, okay? But we're just going to start with the hour part first, okay? The first number on your mama's phone for the time, okay? So, on the clock, we call this an analog clock. This is digital. We call that a digital clock. This is our analog clock, okay? So on our analog clock, we have a big hand and a little hand. The little hand tells the hour, okay? We're going to start with our minute hand straight up, okay? That'll just tell us the hour. So now it is, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Now what time is it? It is 5 o'clock. The little hand points to our hour. Our big hand is straight up. What time is it now? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it now? It is 11 o'clock, okay? How many hours are in your day? There are 12. Goes around 12. 12 and 12 is 24. 24 hours in a day. The part of the day when you get up until you eat your lunch is called the morning. When it's 12 o'clock daytime, 12 o'clock during the daytime, that's kind of like a lot of people eat their lunch then, okay? And the sun is straight overhead, straight up 12 o'clock, okay? If it's before that time, we call that morning. Anytime after 12 o'clock, we call afternoon. Noon is 12 o'clock, they call that noon. I don't know why they do. That's the name for that. 12 o'clock is noon, okay? So anything after that is afternoon. Afternoon, 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 afternoon. As it gets starting to think about getting later in the day, okay, we get to 6 o'clock, we call that evening. Evening, 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 evening. And then after that, because the day's kind of going from light to dark, we call that the evening time. And then when it's dark, we call that nighttime. Okay, nighttime. So we have morning, afternoon, evening, and nighttime. They can both be the same thing. Okay, but that's what that is. Okay, so morning, afternoon, and nighttime. Okay? Okay. On our lesson today, let's see, what else we missed? We have 1 hour, 1 day is 24 hours. And how many minutes? How many minutes in a day? Minutes in an hour? We have 60. See, we count, these are the minutes, we count them by fives. 5, 10. See, because we don't want to have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It takes too long to do that. So what they did was they put numbers on the clock, the numbers. That way you can count by fives, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, all the way up to 60. So if the hand, here's our hand right here, right? If our hand is right here, I can just say 5, 10, 15. I know it's 15. If it's over there, I know it's 50. Because I wouldn't want to have to count all those little, I'd get confused and I'd get lost, right? So we have them there to tell us how many minutes it is, okay? And we will learn that, okay? We will learn all those, but not yet. Right now, we just want to straight up, we say o'clock. And we do that, we write it, we would say 8 o'clock. Here it's 8:25, there it's 8 o'clock. Or we would say 9 o'clock. Or we would say 6 o'clock. Okay, that's, in Spanish we would say en punto, okay? Okay, today on our paper today, this side is easy sneezy. This side is easy sneezy too. It is a calendar. It is a calendar, okay? So what you need to do is fill out your calendar, okay? Here's your calendar. The first day of the month is on Thursday. See that? Thursday. Our month is October 2020, okay? The first day of the month is on Thursday, okay? So here's your calendar. Up top, we need to put the month. See the months up there? We're in October. It says circle the name of the month. So look up here, see if you can find October. October. Circle it. Then, after you circle that, write it right here. You're going to write October because that's the name of our month. Okay? Got that? Then you're going to start filling out your calendar. The first day is on Thursday. Okay? And you're going to count all the way up to 31. Okay? Count all the way up to 31. The month of October has 31 days. We have a little poem that we learn so we know how many days are in each month. It goes like this. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31 except February, okay? But so 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31. October has 31 days. Okay, so what are you going to do? You're going to count, go across, start on Thursday, go all the way up to 31, okay? I want you to fill out your calendar. Okay, you're going to stop the video. Stop the video, fill out your calendar, and when you're all done filling it out, turn the video back on, okay? Because we'll do that, because you need your calendar filled out to do this part down here, okay? So turn it off and fill it out, okay? Okay, we're back. Okay, now, it says right here, write the date of the first Tuesday of the month. So go on your calendar, Tuesday. What is the number in that box? What is the number in that box on your calendar? Okay? Mine says number 6. Did you get number 6? If you don't have a number 6, then you did it wrong. Okay? It says Well, okay, write the date for the second Friday. Okay, here's Friday, the first Friday. Which one is the second Friday? Second Friday. What number did you get for second Friday? Okay, second Friday, first Friday, second Friday. Did you get a 9 there? I hope so. If you didn't, okay. What is today's date? Where is today? Do you remember where today is? Today is all the way down here. Boop, 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 boop. What number is that? You want to tell me? Number, who knows? Steffi, what number is it? 26, good, okay. And the last one is how many days are in this month? You can tell me how many days are in the month. There are 31. Okay, the other side of your paper, tens and ones, you've done that lots of times. Count by twos, easy sneezy. And then there you have the 7 family, okay? You can do this side really, really fast, okay? Enjoy, and today, make sure that you do your speed drill today. If you did not pass, +3, -3, make sure you get that done because that's part of your exam, okay? All right, have a good weekend.